All right, let's get right to it. We're about to pull back the curtain and show you the exact blueprint, the one that separates the everyday ETRM user from that top 1%. You know, the experts that global trading desks are practically begging to hire.
But here's the real question. Are you ready to make that leap? I mean, really ready to become the kind of specialist who doesn't just hunt for jobs, but has the world's top trading firms hunting for you?
Because look, this isn't just about learning a new skill. This is a total career transformation. We're talking about roles that command up to $200,000 a year globally. Or, if you're in India, that's 60 to 80 lakhs per annum. And no, this isn't some fantasy number. It's the real deal market rate for elite ETRM consultants.
And here's why this matters right now. Endur version 25 is here, and listen, it is not just another update. It's a complete game changer in how energy trading gets done. The whole platform is more powerful, way more complex, and the industry is moving at lightning speed. If you're not on top of this, you're going to get left behind. Simple as that.
This right here, this shows you the massive skill gap in the market today. On one side, you've got the average user. Even folks with years of experience, a lot of them are just scratching the surface, right? They react to problems, they kind of guess their way through workflows. But the V25 expert, that's a whole different league. They master the entire architecture, they automate everything, and they engineer solutions from scratch. So, that's the choice, isn't it? You can stay in that group of people who are guessing and just reacting to whatever fires pop up, or you can become the person who walks in and confidently configures, simulates, and automates the most complex scenarios imaginable. You'll be the one they call when it absolutely, positively has to be done right the first time. And this is how you get there. This is the solution, the bridge that takes you from one side of that skill gap to the other. The ETRM Endur V25 Extended Training by Yukti. It's not just about teaching you about V25. It's designed from the ground up to turn you into an absolute master of it. This is your path.
Just look at that number, 500. 500 chapters. Let that sink in for a second. This tells you everything you need to know about the depth we're talking about. This is no weekend workshop, folks. This is a deep, exhaustive, and meticulously structured program that covers every single corner of the platform you need to know to be that top-tier expert.
So, what does that mean for you? It means you're about to get an unfair advantage. Seriously. Because you're not just going to be sitting there learning theory. No way. You're going to get multi-commodity mastery, power, gas, oil, you name it. You're going to get your hands dirty in labs that are straight from real-world trading desks. We're going to focus on modern integration. Think Kafka and REST APIs. And most importantly, we'll give you job-ready guidance, mock interviews, resume prep, the whole shebang. Okay, so where do we start? Section 1. We build a rock-solid foundation. Before you even touch the tech, you have to get the business. We'll dive into the whole market ecosystem, who the players are, the value chains, and exactly why Endurna dominates this space. It's all about understanding the why before the how. Then, boom, Section 2, we're diving under the hood of the platform itself. We're talking core architecture, its service-oriented design, those powerful REST APIs for connecting to anything, and of course, the brand new cloud-ready features that make V25 such a monster. Next up, static and reference data. This is absolutely critical. You're going to learn to build the data backbone of the entire system. Counterparties, portfolios, contracts. This is the foundation that everything else is built on. You get this wrong, the whole thing falls apart. Then we tackle market data and curves. This is where you learn to tame volatility. You'll be building, calibrating, and stress testing complex forward curves with real data feeds from places like ICE and Platts. This is a mission-critical skill for any top analyst. From there, it's all about the trade lifecycle. We'll walk you through everything from the second a deal is captured all the way through confirmations, amendments, and handling all those tricky exceptions. We're talking total front-to-back office control.
All right, Section 6 is where you really unlock the value. We're talking pricing and valuation. You'll be implementing sophisticated P&L flows, calculating the Greeks for risk, and running powerful Monte Carlo simulations to see what the future might hold.
Now we get to the heart of any trading operation, risk management. You're going to master the big ones, value at risk or VARV to know your potential losses, potential future exposure, PFE for credit risk, and you'll see how it all integrates with advanced analytics.
And speaking of risk, Section 8 is all about protecting the firm's money. We're diving deep into credit and collateral. You'll learn to automate complex margin calls and manage credit exposure like a pro in real time.
Efficiency is everything in post-trade ops. So here, you'll learn to build killer straight-through processing pipelines for settlements, invoicing, and accounting. This is how you eliminate errors and speed up the cash flow.
Now, for anyone in the physicals world, this section is for you. Logistics and nominations. We're going to simulate the actual movement of commodities, scheduling gas and pipelines, nominating LNG cargoes, managing power generation. It's the real deal.
Let's be clear, a modern expert is an integration expert, period. The days of siloed systems are long gone. You will master modern patterns using Kafka for real-time data, REST APIs for connectivity, and ABR for smart business rules.
And finally, we put it all together: administration, operations, and certification. You'll learn to scale the platform, tune it for peak performance, and then you'll tackle the final capstone project to prove your skills and earn that certification. And look, this isn't some academic theory we cooked up. The skills, the frameworks, this is exactly what's being used right now on the top trading desks in London, in Houston, in Singapore. These are the real-world skills they demand. You know why it's so practical? Because it's built by people who have actually been in the trenches. We're talking about practitioners with over 15 years of hands-on experience on massive, real-world Endur projects. And you get it all: their enterprise-grade labs, their runbooks, their actual datasets. So really, it all boils down to this one simple choice. This industry is shifting, and it's happening with or without you. You can sit on the sidelines and watch other people grab these incredible, career-defining roles, or you can step up and become the indispensable expert that they call when the stakes are highest. The choice is yours. The entire path is laid out for you. The link is right there on your screen. Go there now, get lifetime access to all 500 chapters, the labs, everything, and start your transformation today. Don't wait. Upskill, certify, get hired.